behalf of Honda Philippines Incorporated, we would like to thank our media and blogger friends present today.
We're very happy na nandito ulit kayo para samahan kami. So we hope that you will enjoy your ride and step up your game with the new Click 160.
So we're gonna discuss yung kanyang mga bagong features tsaka yung mga nadagdag sa kanya from the previous models.
Types of braking system, disc brake naman ng Click, drum brake naman po ang likod, so effective pa rin po yan.
Dito sa the new Click 160 ay unang-una yung kanyang kulay na nagkaroon ng new variation. Second is yung kanyang seat height, which is very Asian-friendly. Abot na abot ng mga common Filipinos. Again, thank you Honda Philippines Incorporated and Honda Safety Driving Center, Honda number 1.
Ang una ko nagustuhan dito is the braking system. Sobrang responsive and talagang reliable siya. Thank you Honda Philippines Incorporated and Honda Safety Driving Center, Honda number 1.
Ito yung mga nagustuhan kong feature, lalo na as a lady rider. Siyempre, meron silang smart key feature with anti-theft locking system. So, ito talagang secure na secure ka. Talagang solid to. Honda number 1!
What I like most about these motorcycles is ito yung perfect na city ride companion mo. Napaka-maneuverable, napaka-nimble, magaan. The power will give you that hindi ka mabibitin sa power at ang best of all, tipid sa gasolina. So practical, maporma, and ngayon, mas abot kaya pa.